while declaring that with fully endorsed the agitation to be launched over non-payment of compensation to the violence-affected farmers. Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity COCOMI opined that the present crisis will end only when the government of India considers Manipuris as its own citizens. Addressing a press conference initiated by Farmers Wing COCOMI at its Lamphel office on Tuesday, COCOMI coordinator T.H. Somarendra said that as conflict and economy are interrelated, it has been distributing crop seeds and extending security cover to farmers by its volunteers to assist in carrying out agricultural activities in vulnerable areas. With regard to the state government not disbursing the compensation about sanctioned by the central government for the farmers affected by the ethnic violence in the state, consequently hindering agricultural activities, Somarendra said COCOMI will extend all possible support to move off the Farmers Wing to launch intense form of agitation along with the food producers if the government does not distribute the compensation by February 10th. The coordinator also expressed that ending the present crisis in Manipur will depend on India considering Manipuris as its own citizen, abrogating the suspension of operation agreement signed with Kuki militants and implementing National Register of Citizens (NRC) in the state to flush out PDF and narco-terrorists. Another option for resolving the crisis is to withdraw all the central forces from the state and hand over the task of safeguarding Manipur to the state forces and its people, he said, and claimed that such a move will enable to help and restore peace in just 5 days. However, under this strategy, there is no guarantee that the Kukis will be able to live peacefully in Manipur, Somarendra said.
Indiana Semgatpa, Shu Habasia Kogi, Kenoda Mapangi, Miamargi, Hogala Wusinga, Hogi, no Mata Kabnadra, Indiana when you put up Pusalaganda, who shoots it on the Kivini, Ona, Manipu Gomen Yadraba, Manipu Miana Yadraba, Shuse, Hudakta Kogi, Rotokanda, Adugadamu, Mukuna Singoliba, PDF Sing, Abiluna narco-terrorism, Kulaipa narco-terrorism, Masi, Takupose, Gobel Indiana, Kudakta Pakalagadi, Adu Enas, General Lagadi, Masi Adamukogi, Kudakta Kogi, Masila Fugunda no Alam Lazilush and Biagan in Nigeria, Maramdi, Haidiba, narco-terrorists, had a PDF, Kudim Mose Canana, the Capuno Hargadi, in the government link company, or a Mokagi Linkino Hadi, Mokogi, Europort get the Torang Pakatpada, Myanmar, where you cannot come by another. Democracy Palaba Amal Henan of one of the high PDF or high Lalhumian, season of Neighbor. Masi Mizuramna, high Bansagi, Tin Cookie narco terroristing, Cookizo sing, Makuna Sokotuna Lebanida, Makoida, had this minister Mizurang, Sinabiraga, from Chana Tambiraga, Makogi Joe, Proxim Tobio, other the Lanze, Kutakolution, Biani. At Mapam Chana, Mizurang Mupam the Tambiro, Alquid and Narcis and Halaga, Leragadi, Masi, Atu Batam, the way Lala solution.